What if I told you your AI coding tool is costing you $500 a weekend and making you miss your kid's baseball game? That's not a hypothetical. It's the reality for thousands of developers drowning in the prompt treadmill of hell. You're spending hours burning credits on hallucinating code while your productivity tanked. But here's the twist. The real problem isn't AI. It's how you're using it. The tools you've been trusting, they're rigged to make you pay more, not less. And that's why I've spent the last 3 months tearing apart the entire AI coding landscape to find the one open-source solution that actually works, without draining your wallet or your sanity. Forget expensive subscriptions and closed ecosystems. The future isn't about paying for AI to write your code. It's about owning the tools that make AI work for you, privately, freely, and reliably. You've been sold a lie that you need to pay $200 a month for premium AI access. But what if you could run the same powerful models on your own machine, free, with no hidden costs? That's the revolution Alma is unleashing. It's not just another tool. It's your personal AI server running locally on your laptop. No more free trial traps. No more credit limits. Just pure private power. You install it in minutes, run models like Llama 3 or Gemma right in your terminal, and never worry about token bills again. And here's the kicker. You can integrate it with your editor to make AI feel like a natural extension of your workflow, not a separate, expensive chore. But running models locally is just step one. The real magic happens when you stop treating AI like a magic genie and start orchestrating it. That's where Model Context Protocol, MCP, servers come in. Think of them as the secret handshake between your code editor and the AI. Without them, you're stuck in that endless cycle. Prompt, fail, repeat, burn credits. With them, your AI stops guessing. It starts understanding your project's context. Need a security patch? It references your existing auth system. Building a React component? It checks your component library. This isn't theoretical. This is how NVIDIA's engineers boost productivity 100% while avoiding the prompt treadmill. And the best part? These MCP servers are open source, free, and plug into any tool you already use. No vendor lock-in. You're not buying a service. You're building a system that works for you. Let's cut through the noise. The biggest mistake developers make isn't using AI. They're using it wrong. They're chasing flashy, AI-powered apps that cost $500 a weekend to run, while ignoring tools that let them own their workflow. You don't need another closed, expensive CLI. You need the freedom to run powerful models on your own terms. That's why Gemini CLI's open-source approach is a game-changer. It's the first major tool where you get unlimited free requests to a top-tier coding model. But here's what nobody's talking about. It's not about which tool you use. It's about how you connect it to your actual code base. That's where Alma and MCP servers become your unfair advantage. Picture this. You're building a feature, and your AI agent actually knows your project structure. It doesn't just spit out generic code. It suggests fixes based on your existing patterns. You stop wasting hours debugging hallucinations. You stop paying for tokens you'll never use. You start shipping faster with confidence. This isn't about replacing developers. It's about freeing you from the grind of manual coding so you can focus on what actually matters, solving problems, not wrestling with AI. And here's the truth nobody wants to admit. The era of handcrafted code is over. You can't go back to writing every line yourself and expect to compete. The smartest teams aren't just using AI. They're training it to speak their language. They're building pipelines where AI doesn't just generate code. It learns from your repo, your docs, your team style. That's how you turn AI coding from a productivity killer into your most powerful asset. So what's stopping you? Not the tech, not the cost. It's the fear of starting. But you don't need to be a machine learning expert. You just need to start with Alma for local model runs, MCP servers to connect the dots, and a mindset shift. AI isn't a tool you buy. It's a system you build. The best part? You can do all this today with zero budget. No subscriptions. No hidden fees. Just a few simple commands to run the same models big tech uses on your laptop. This isn't the future. It's happening right now. And it's time you stop paying for the illusion of AI and started owning the real power. Your next project won't just be faster. It'll be unstoppable. If you're ready to stop burning cash on AI tools that don't work and start building the system that actually works for you, hit subscribe. I'm dropping a free guide in the comments showing exactly how to set up your first Alma plus MCP pipeline in 10 minutes. No fluff, no sales pitch, just a step-by-step you need to finally break free from the prompt treadmill. Your next project is waiting. Let's build it together.